Welcome to the technologycloset.com and our quick shots. In this quick shot, we're going to show you how to create an ISO file in Windows 8 using a product called Image Burn. Windows 8 natively does not allow you to create ISO files. We need a third-party software to do that. First, let's go to our desktop. From the desktop, we're going to open up our browser. We're going to go to imageburn.com and download that file. Once that file is downloaded to our computer, we're going to open up the File Explorer, go to our Downloads folder, locate Setup Image Burn, and we're going to double-click on it. We get a user account control box. Click Yes. This will start the program. Click Next. Accept the terms and Next. Select the defaults and Next. This is the location where the files for the program will be stored. Leave it alone. Select Next. Again, this is the name in the Start folder. We're going to leave that alone. Next. During the installation process, this particular program would like to be able to check with its home base to see if there are any updates. Select Yes. It is now finished, and we can now run Image Burn. But first, I want to uncheck that and finish. Now, you can see we put an icon on the desktop, Image Burn. I'm going to go back into my File Explorer, to my Documents folder, and I have a folder called Three Stooges, where I have a lot of information about these famous people. This is what we're going to make our ISO file from. If I open it up, you can see I have pictures, documents, all pertaining to this group. Okay, now that we've seen that, I'm going to close this down. I'm going to go to Image Burn icon and open it. We have various functions here, as you can see. You can do everything from write an image to a disk, discover the disk, verify the disk. We want to create image file from files and folders. Click that option. Top left, we want it. The program wants the source. Select the browser folder. It already goes right to my documents. There's my Three Stooges folder. Put a check mark. Select folder. Now we have to have a destination. Where do we want this ISO to be stored? I want it to be stored right in the same My Documents. I'm going to look to make sure that it is in the My Documents folder. It will be placed here and not in here. And it'll have the same name, but it'll use that ISO extension. Save. Now all we have to do is lower left, build. And we're going to build that ISO. It says we only selected one folder, and of course that's true. So we're going to select Yes. It comes up and wants to confirm the volume label. In this case, it's going to use the name of the folder, which is fine. Yes. And it gives us a brief summary of exactly what it's going to do. A lot of this is technical, but it is exactly what it's supposed to do. Click OK. And it is done. That's how quick it was. Click OK. And now we can close down the program. To verify that we have that ISO, open the File Explorer. I'm going back to my Documents folder. And I have Three Stooges. And it is an ISO or disk image. And that ISO will be opened and manipulated by the program that created it, in this case, Image Burn. Well, that's it. That's how you create an ISO file. Please visit the website at thetechnologycloset.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time.